It's the next day and I'm continuing on with this project here. Got dark on me fast and I wasn't able to finish. Now I'm working on this trench right here, moving this sprinkler pipe. If you can see that trench there, I dug that and it was a real beast because of all that rock. It's mostly pit run right there. So I need to extend this pipe over here, and I went to the hardware store and wasn't able to find the coupler that just is barbed on both sides, so I could connect two together. So I have to go with this kind of a solution because they just didn't have double barbed fitting union. And I do have some of those around here somewhere, I just cannot find them. I'm just gonna screw these in here like this. Try to get this as tight as I can. Yeah.
I've been admiring this for months.
Didn't you see me? Didn't you see me at Ace?
Yeah. You had a mustache lawn shirt on or something, didn't you?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Have you not seen my YouTube videos?
No.
Search Lawn Rebel.
Lawn Rebel?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm on.
See you later. Got this union here. I've cut this off. So these can be difficult to get onto here. So I use this heat gun. Just heat this up a little bit and it'll stretch. Make it a lot easier to get the fitting on there. Just want to heat this up like that until it's soft. And once you heat it up, the fitting will go right on. Just like that. Okay, I need some of this stuff. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Just heat it up and put the fitting on there. Once this cools, it should go back to its memory and then it should tighten up on that fitting quite nicely. You can get these fittings on without heating this up. It just sucks. It's not easy to do. And my wrist got hurt. I was motorcycling last weekend and my wrist crashed on my motorcycle in the dirt. It didn't really crash, it just kind of fell over. It was going about a half a mile an hour. And I went and got an x-ray because I thought I broke my hand, and it doesn't look like there's any fracture or break, so that's good. But I can't be putting pressure on my hand. I mean, it hurts to grip things with my right hand here. So this will have to do. Push this on here like this. Like that. So once that cools down, it'll go back to its normal shape and it'll suck down over the top of that fitting. Alright, so I want this to be over here. I want this head to be right here on this corner. I'm just gonna cut this about right here. It's gonna be just a little bit long. Like that. All right, so I think, whoa, it's got water in it. I want to make sure all the dirt's out of there. So I'll just let that run for just a second. All right, so that goes there. I need this fitting right here. Like that. So this fitting right here, folks, this is a critical fitting. Normally, in the normal world, most people will just put this on the end and then they'll put it right here on their sprinkler head like that. But then what ends up happening, because this funny pipe is curved, your heads end up tipping and they end up being not straight. A good way to fix that is to get this right here. This is called a Marlex fitting or some kind of a union or something. I don't know. If you search Marlex on the inner screen, you can find this, but it looks like this. Okay, so then you put this on here like that, and then you screw this onto the barbed fitting. So what this does with this fitting it gives you the ability to go like that, and you can kind of put it any which direction that you want. It's like this, and then you can turn it on the funny pipe like that, so you can virtually put this head anywhere. And so basically what you want is you kind of just want the funny pipe to come up in with its natural curve, but it makes it so the sprinkler head will stay straight up and down, and it's a lifesaver. I'm telling you, I would recommend using those for sure. And a lot of people will say, well, that's a waste of money and time, but you know, if this is your project, I can understand like a contractor not wanting to spend the extra money on them because they just want to be cheap and easy and quick. But then the homeowner suffers. The homeowner will be there several years, and then they'll just have heads that are not straight. So, all right, so just moved it over just a little bit. I'll probably end up bringing my grass right to this corner right here. I think actually what I'm going to do is just backfill this all right here, grow grass, and then I'm going to cut it in later so I can get the edge nice and crisp and clean right there next to the concrete. The rest of the material in the truck I want to put in this section right here to feather this out. To save some of it for this section right here, and then whenever I can get this part ready, I want to top dress this section with that good soil. But I need to do some raking and some leveling out over here. Another head here that I need to fix, so same process, cut this baby off and fix this sucker. When I was tearing those trees out, those cottonwood trees, the loader got caught on the sprinkler head and this funny pipe. It stretched it. You can see where it stopped stretching right there. Stretched it. This one goes over there, and then looks to me like this piece is broken. So same thing applies here as the other one. There's water in there, so I don't know if this is going to heat up properly. Let's see if that's hot enough. So I'm not sure what happened to the sprinkler head that I had for this area, but it doesn't seem to be here. I can tell that it's not this one or not this one right here because this Marlex fitting right here is broken. And this one's still on there, so it's not that one. And I still have one more head over there to replace. So I ran out of topsoil and I'm gonna go get some more. Hopefully they're open still. It's Saturday and they could be closed, but I need to bring this section up just a little bit more. That side's pretty well ready to plant over there. As for over here, I need to replace one more sprinkler head down there and install a couple down over here where you can see these pipes that are hanging out of the soil. And then it needs quite a bit of soil still, topsoil on the top. That's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching my videos. You guys are the best, and I will see you guys in the next one.